This is an emergency update. If you guys hold XRP, the market is now experiencing some sell pressure. And there's a particular reason why, because a major event is taking place tomorrow morning. And in this video, we have to talk about it and much more. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this XRP video. So I warned you all, tomorrow CPI is going to bring volatility. That's very normal. Sometimes a lot of whales that come together and they all just panic sell everything before a major data event because they are fearful and they're uncertain. They don't know what could take place tomorrow. But so far, tomorrow we are going to have CPI 8:30 a.m. Eastern, and this is when we are going to see the economic data and see how inflation has been doing. So we have a small sell-off. The market has been pumping. It's still very high. It's not the end of the world to see a flush. In fact, a flush and shakeout before a data event is actually bullish, because that means that the data event is most likely going to end up being bullish. So they like to shake people out before a big bullish move. Take a look at Bitcoin here. Bitcoin ended up breaking out, almost making all-time highs last night. But Bitcoin has broken out and we are now in this retest area, this key support, which Bitcoin should hold. If Bitcoin rejects and breaks lower here, then we're probably going to see a much further correction, but everything is still looking bullish. And we are now going to be cutting rates, so many bullish catalysts that are taking place for crypto. This is not the time to be panic selling, especially it's only the 11th of this month and we have a lot more days to go. And guess what? The bull market, we only have so much time left. And everybody knows that investors and traders who know the 4-year cycle, they're still loading up, they're still buying, and we're still bullish. This guy here is calling for a $12 XRP. If you zoom out here, you can see XRP is breaking out already in this bull flag. If you zoom out and aren't so micro zoomed in, the market is still very bullish, guys. Nothing to panic about. And Bitcoin is trending. We have recovered this dip. We are pushing higher. Ethereum is trending, breaking out of a 4-year resistance level. Total One today, the Total One market cap made a new all-time high today. So that is very, very bullish. It shows the total crypto market cap has reached over $4 trillion today. That is a major milestone. That shows cryptos are growing, cryptos are pumping. The amount of people in crypto is continuing to push higher. Now make sure you guys are in my private community. We are making a fortune. You guys can follow and copy all of my exact moves as a 7-figure world winning trader. Join the WAP if you guys want to have access to that. But look at XRP here. XRP has broken out of this bull flag pattern here. And guess what we are now doing? We are now consolidating. We've pulled back. We've ripped up very aggressively, which is a very strong bullish sign. But you see this breakout here? We are now holding above it. And this is now our support. So this breakout level here is our support. And that is a bullish sign for the future of XRP. Technically. So we are breaking out. This is just a pullback, a consolidation period before the next leg higher, which I believe is imminent, with Ethereum breaking out, making almost all-time highs, Bitcoin pushing up higher, the stock market is pushing higher, everything is pushing higher, just bullish, bullish, bullish news everywhere, no bearish news. That leads me to believe that we are going to be pushing higher and much higher, in my opinion, not financial advice. So these are the key levels that you want to pay attention to for XRP. So XRP has come and rejected again this key level, which we have talked about. We have rejected 333, but once we start to break and hold above it, it's going to keep trying to tap this level. Once we break and hold above $3.33 for XRP, this is when I believe the next leg is going to begin. The next leg will for sure be confirmed when XRP starts breaking and holding above $3.70. With volume. That is the key. If you see a massive candle pump above this level here, that is the volume I'm talking about. But this is when we're probably going to see the next leg higher, $4 to $5, $7. It can come very quickly. These pumps, once we start breaking out and going parabolic, they happen very fast, very strong. And if you were not positioned beforehand, you're not going to be able to catch the ride. So you need to be positioned at a discount level, which we did reach a discount around 270, 280, 290. This was the time, the ultimate time to buy. And that's when I let you know to buy in my community. So what it does look like is going to happen. We've just flushed very violently. Like, look at this Fartcoin. I'm holding this on spot. You know, these Solana coins, they just literally dumped today overnight 20% without any bad news, and the market's still relatively holding strong. They are trying to flush people out, shake people out. And this is just one coin out of many coins, for example. They're trying to shake people out before the next massive move. You guys better get ready. And also, make sure you guys are using my indicator, ALGOSNIPER. You guys can try it for just $1 today. It will tell you when to sell before every major crash on any coin. Make sure you use the 1 hour time frame. That's going to be a really good time frame. And if you want to be very aggressive, 30-minute can also be a good time frame as well. But it's something you will need to test. You guys can try today for just $1 at algosniper.com. Now, if you guys are going to be longing and shorting cryptos and trading cryptos, make sure you guys use Blowfin. My link is in my video description. This is the platform where you can trade and have the cheapest fees on the internet. They're giving away a $10,000 deposit bonus if you guys sign up using my link below. And if you guys get anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.